I'll stay by your side as a ghost you keep in your head, in your step.